Oh, you step on my foot, you know.
Nice.
How was that boy, man?
Look who you done on, man, and the general. Oh, nice out.
I violated, boy, violated, you know.
Yo.
Chief.
Yo, then you done what is now no manners in my general.
I want you to go nyam him food.
Nyam him food. Boss, never deal with it.
Oh, you
hear me?
body, man. Nyam.
Anything. Walk. Creep or fly, me nyam that. If you violate you. Anyone me find him, me a murder him and nyam him food. Yo, look at boy.
How you do?
If you violate man, then I want you.
So how you do?
Don't violate man. Don't stop talking, man.
Want the food, you know?
No, what? I want to look boy. Don't play at me, you know. You're not just. I say you're not just, boy. Buy juice next time, man. Buy juice. And don't buy him, you hear that? Bossy!
Yeah.
Near me boy food, bossy. You know me not play.
Oh, you mean,
You know
man,
that?
violate you, violate, man. What you say, daddy?
No, me near me food, bossy, that me say.
Oh, you mean?
Oh.
Boy, bright, man.
You believe in me, though?
Oh, you mean that, man? Them don't know you are the man.
I believe in
man.
myself.
Yes, sir.
Believe in myself. What me say me do?
Yeah, man, them boy, they not no manners, man. They look apprentice, they are disrespect
Oh, yes,
adults.
boss, you know.
Nah, no manners, man.
Yo, me not play feed them food. Anytime say food feed, bossy, me hate
Boy,
that.
food for nya.
Oh.
Wait,
You
Chief.
play thing, eh?
How do you that?
Yeah, him see a man the violator me eating food.
Me don't think you name him food, Chief.
What you mean, bossy? After me go stand circle, boy. You understand? And me see my eat a food, me just take that and name that. The boy never on a juice. Say, nah, the money can't buy me a juice, please.
No, daddy, me say you're gonna name me boy food.
I said, that me do bossy, me eat the boy food. I want to tell you, when I play boy here, you know. So, where do you want me to?
John will star. John will star.
Bossy, you have the money to buy a juice, man, because me eat the boy food, you know, man. You know when I say I heard, man, I eat your food, you hear that?
We all have to have that respect for each other. Usain Bolt got bronze in London and some are saying sell out. Elaine Thompson lost a race, while if a negative remarks yellow. Won't expect, show respect, car history was created. America bowed down to a legend, honor greatly appreciated. Hey, not just locally but globally, Jamaicans did it. Precisely.